Hi there. You saw me doing this. It's an apron, left side, and only thing that I can say it's demanding job. There is no way to explain to you how to do that because it's impossible until you do that a couple hundred times and then you will know it. Only thing that I have to say about this is that you have to be accurate because later doors will fit there. So if you made a mistake or you did something wrong, doors simply wouldn't fit. And try to follow, if you are interested in this, try to follow the steps and all be grand. And take your time when you do this. Basically, car is done 98% in the metal. So the big parts are done. That 2% are control. So we have to go around the car and check for the small bits. For example, this patch has to be changed, or this rust on the very edge, or this bit of rust here, or this rust here, or whatever. There was a comment in the previous video about welding arch, and that was right, because the welds can be smooth outside the car, but inside, show you later that it is a hedgehog. All that small needles of your welding rod or welding wire stays in, and they simply like to gather the rust. So when you finish car outside, go inside the car, use pneumatic grinder, use any kind of tool, cut off that grain and treat with epoxy or rust remover or primer or anything. Just don't allow air to go into between the welds. Then will be grand. We have that situation here in the corners. So that's that after job that I have to do. You see that black marks over there everywhere. So that has to be clean, grained, and later treated with epoxy. When I finish the car 100% in the metal, then it's time for epoxy. But that's new story. So thanks on your attention. See you in the next video. Click, like, subscribe, as Kevin used to say. Bye-bye.